I want to show you my method for cleaning the black and gray tank. 5 gallons in the gray tank and 5 gallons in the black tank. Plain household water. Dump your 5 gallons down the sink. Don't forget your deodorizer pack. Now as you go down the road, this water is going to slosh back and forth in your tanks, therefore cleaning it. I do this before every trip. It's just an easy way to help break up any particles or anything that may be stuck in your tanks. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think. Now, when you have your hitch on the back of your tow vehicle, once you're done towing, it kind of gets in the way. You bump your knees, you get grease on you. But here's where I store my hitch when I'm not using it. This receiver mounts right on the frame of your trailer. Simply remove it off the tow vehicle, slide it right in the hitch. Put your locking pin in there. Voila.